The firstborn son of Firstborn Son Home Services, coming to you from beautiful Surrey, British Columbia. If you're into trailers as this customer is, you're going to want an extra level of protection, and we definitely have it at this home. We have a Floodlight Plus in black as a plug-in mount front of the garage. Great view of the trailer and the entire front yard. There's no mistaking that we have a Ring home. Front doorbell wired 2021 notifies him every time the paperboy's here, mailman, or the odd intruder that he's already filmed. And we've got another Floodlight Plus in the backyard, wired, catches everything in this massive backyard in Surrey. What a gorgeous backyard. And lastly, we've installed a few Morose smart Wi-Fi garage door openers. These doors will never be left open. Always closed, always ready.